Hello and welcome to another Abus and Beyond vlog. So today we have a bit of an interesting vlog for you because we're going to be having a look at all of this stuff behind me, which we've been sent from various different people. So I thought I'd wait until it builds up a little bit and give you a bit of an unboxing video and a bit of a preview of things that we've got to come. Every time a YouTuber does this, they have a special knife, don't they? Bentley, you're too young to use knives. They have special knives usually, but I've just got a kitchen knife. So actually for the first box, we've already opened it because we had a barbecue a few weeks ago when we were allowed to, and we needed an extra chair, so. Well, this is a little bit special, isn't it? It's pretty comfy, I must say. Oh, Bentley, do you want up? You don't need to come up and see it. Well, anyway, this one's a bit special because it actually is a heated outdoor chair. So it's got a little USB attachment. You can see it's got a button here. You have like a little battery pack for it. And then as a result, it will heat you up. So maybe not in the middle of the day during the summer, but in the evenings, I bet it is absolutely lovely to have. So it's made by Vango, but I am the world's coldest person, so I think I'll quite like this. What is this? Vango Tailgate Air Hub. Ooh. So this is the Vango Tailgate Air Hub, which I believe, obviously, fits onto the back of something like a camper van that's got the tailgate rather than the barn door. And as a result, you can make a whole other room out of it. So that'll be interesting to see how that goes. At the moment, we don't actually have a van though, so we'll have to wait until we get another van for that. The smallest bag again. I think we've opened this. Oh, that's a hose line for some sort of gas unit. So I'm guessing that must attach to something else. We'll find out. Oh, this looks good, Bentley. This looks good, Bentley. Might actually need my knife now. Right, Bentley, you're too young for this, so you need to stay away. This is the Camp Chef artisan outdoor oven, which I'm guessing is mostly used for pizzas, which is very exciting. If you watched our live stream not that long ago, you saw us trying to make pizzas in a Ridge Monkey, and it was fairly successful. However, I like to think a pizza oven might be a little bit better. Wow, I am very excited about using this. That's actually quite a good size. I didn't think it was going to be as small as this. This seems quite a good size. So again, that's another thing that's come from Vango. It's done by an outdoor stove unit. So that's pretty cool. And that might well be why there's another box over there. It's all making sense now. The Pro 30 Deluxe 1-burner stove. Wow. The pizza oven is specifically designed for this. Oh, amazing. That'd be a great talking point on a campsite, that would. Oh, I can't wait to get that tried. I'm guessing that's where this comes in, because you can hook that up to your gas canister. And I expect that it fits in with the gas canister that comes with the Cali, so you don't have to get another gas canister, which is quite cool. This looks interesting. What does this look like to you? Oh, I know what this is. Look at that. Whoa. Well, we've got Darren at Rainbow Screens to thank for this one, but can you guess what van it's for? last box. Well, that's confusing, because I'm sure the box says carpet, but it's not a carpet inside. Ah, see, we should have opened this box for our barbecue. Look at these. Oh, these look comfy. Oh, I do like a moon chair. Well, this is quite confusing. Oh, that is super comfy. But it's a bit confusing because on the order reference it says Divine Chair, Mykonos Blue, which I'm guessing is this one. But this one, it just says prototype. It's another Vango chair. That is super comfy. Hello. Have you come to disturb my nap? Anyone who's a mum out there, or a new mum or dad, will know how nice it is to have 5 minutes to yourself to sit down. Go away. No, no, no. I can't have 5 minutes to myself. See, I didn't actually get 5 minutes to myself because look, the whole crew has arrived now. You like that chair the most? You are awake, I can tell.
I think so. I've not tried the others yet.
Well, you're not trying this one.
Someone's hogging it.
You're not trying this one. This one's my favourite.
Might do. Oh, the beer holder's insulated.
Really? And go away for 5 minutes and you've made yourself comfy? It's a pretty good chair though, isn't it? Well, I've picked my favourite chair to come back and have a seat in. This is so comfy. Oh. Anyway, that's a really good look at some of the stuff that we're going to be having a look at. When we get a van, we're going to definitely try out that awning. That looks very exciting. But these chairs will be great for camping too. And we have got camping adventures coming up, I promise. We're just waiting on a van. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps us out. It helps us get lots of different van tours for you, reviews, more products to have a look at. I just want to say a huge thank you to Vango and Rainbow Thermal Screens for sending us all of these things. It's going to be very helpful for you as a consumer as well to see what they're like before you buy. So thank you so much for watching and we will see you very, very soon. Bye.